Hi guys, I'm Belcott Benson and I want to teach you guys how to solve a mathematical equation on the topic quadratic expression. Okay, so as you can see at the board, the equation reads factorize the expression 2x squared minus 3x minus 5 and hence solve the quadratic equation 2x squared minus 3x minus 5 is equals to 0. Before we start, I would like to analyze the equation. As you can see, this question is based on two things: to factorize and to solve the quadratic equation. So what does factorize means? To factorize means to introduce a bracket into a expression. So how do we go about that? We start the expression reads 2x squared minus 3x minus 5. So based on this expression, it is it is formed into a formula known as a squared plus b plus c. So a squared, it's the 2x squared, the bx, it is the negative 3x, and the c is the negative 5. So as we tackle the equation, we must break this b simpler by introduction of product and sum. So how can we find this product? Product is the multiplication of a times c, whereby 2 times negative 5, that one will give us negative 10. And the sum is the b, which one is negative 3. So what numbers, when we add or multiply, it will give us negative 10, and when we add it will give us 3. So there, it will be negative 5 and 2. So we go 2x squared and negative 5. So this process is called substitution. You substitute this negative 5 and 2 to the b plus 2x minus 5. Up to there, you see they are in they are in 4. So you must group them into 2. So you find the common. What is common between them? So here 2x squared minus 5x, the common here is x. X into bracket 2x minus 5. Close the bracket here. And what is common here? That will be 1. So it will be 2x minus 5. So as you see, the ones that are in the bracket are similar. So what we have to do, which are outside of the bracket, we group them. Which will be x plus 1, and the ones that are in the bracket, we take only 1. So you cancel 1 and you take 1. So it will be into bracket 2x minus 5. So the first part of this question is solved. So the factorized expression, it will be 2x into bracket 2x minus 5. So we are done with to factorize. Yes. As we proceed to the second part of the equation, solve the quadratic equation, of which it is 2x squared minus 3x minus 5 is equals to 0. So as you can see, this expression, this equation is the same as this factorized expression, of which the only difference is that this one has an equal sign and this one did not have. So we start by the first bracket, we put it into equation by introducing an equal sign equals to 0. The same to the second part, 2x minus 5 is equals to 0. So to solve this, we must make x the subject. So it will be 2x, x is equals to, we take this positive 1, take it over the equal sign, it will be negative 1. We do the same to this other part, 2x is equals to Negative 5 close it to the equal sign will be positive 5. So making x the subject, you divide outside by 2. So x is equals to 2 goes to positive 5, 2.5. So we have our two answers. So we can write x is equals to negative 1 or is equals to 2.5. That's it for today, folks. Hope you meet next time.